gonna show you guys how I wash my makeup brushes. So starting off, I'm using this bar of soap. So first I'm gonna clean this beauty blender because it takes forever to clean it. So right now I'm just rubbing the beauty blender against the soap, and then I'm gonna squeeze the beauty blender to get the foundation out. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with this sponge. Then I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush and swish it in the soap, and then I'm gonna massage it with my fingers and then rinse it out. I'm gonna do the same thing with the rest of the brushes, and then I'm gonna come back with the finished results. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notification bell to be notified.